When your body is too acidic, that leads to various health problems like obesity, heart disease, weak immune system, and cancer. So it is very risky when you have an acidic body. To avoid all these health issues, you need to balance the pH level of your body. In this video, I'll share alkaline foods that will help to remove acid from the body and restore the pH level. So keep watching this video until the end. Before starting, I request you, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification about a new video. For better health, your body needs a balanced pH level, means not too alkaline as well as not too acidic. For your reference, you can see its range and other details on your screen. If the pH becomes too acidic, your immune system is affected and increases the risk of heart-related issues, obesity, and cancer. Your stomach needs to be acidic for proper digestion, but your blood should be alkaline to function properly. Processed foods can increase the body's pH levels to the acidic side, and that causes accumulation of toxins in the entire body. This situation affects your entire health and makes you more vulnerable to diseases. The primary solution is to change your eating habits. Include the alkaline foods that can remove acid from the body. If you include these foods in your daily diet, which can restore the pH balance and improve your health condition too. Following alkaline food should be included in your diet to balance the pH level in the body. Lemon. Lemons are acidic in taste, but they are actually alkaline in nature. This citrus fruit is beneficial for your digestive system. It improves the pH levels in your body and cleanses your body inside out. Mix fresh lemon juice to a glass of warm water and drink it every day. This habit helps to flush out excess acid from your body. It is widely used for quick and healthy weight loss. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have diuretic properties, which naturally break down uric acid and flush out from the body. It helps to hydrate your body, eliminates toxins, cleanses, and balances the acidic levels as well. Cucumbers also prevent acid crystallization in your body. Cabbage. Folate and magnesium in cabbage that are beneficial for your digestive and immune system. Cabbage also contains a good amount of fiber, which promotes alkalinity in your body at a cellular level. This way, it helps you to reduce the risk of cancer and induces weight loss as well. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is also citrus fruit and it is a powerhouse of healthy nutrients. It fills up your body with vitamin C that strengthens your immune system to a great extent. You may feel the grapefruit is acidic in nature, but it is alkaline. It boosts the metabolism rate and improves the alkaline levels in your body and prevents the accumulation of excess fat. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most important foods to eat in order to balance pH levels. That is because broccoli contains phytochemicals and alkalizes the body, increase estrogen metabolism rate and reduce estrogen dominance. Broccoli also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Spinach. As you know, spinach is the most recommended vegetable due to its health characteristics, including its alkaline effects. This is largely due to its high content of chlorophyll, which causes the spinach to be an alkalizing agent to the body and restore the pH level back to its ideal. Celery. Celery is normally found on everyone's diet's menu. It is a healthy food that offers many benefits to you. Because of celery contains a diuretic property that helps your body to get rid of any excess fluid. Celery also helps to neutralize the acid in the body and bring the pH level back to a slightly alkaline level. All these common foods should be included in your regular diet to maintain the pH level of your body. I hope this short information helps you to maintain your overall health. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us and share this video with your friends and family. Stay fit and thanks for watching.